what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane, and you're not complaining.
Ta-da! Where are we going now? Now we gonna go to the hospital to check my condition, if I'm improving from my pneumonia. Huh? Ayan na. Come on, so hot. Let's go na. Come on. The doctor is waiting for you now. Naapa there. Dalawa. Ayan na. Papa, wait for me. He always bring his blanket. It's his comfort. Come on, the elevator is coming. Come on, Apali.
A few moments later.
Here in the hospital. This is kids hospital and also have some vaccine here. Our first dose vaccine is here and second dose also. And what are you watching? Pururo, yeah. Poopy. So this area is for oxygen. Anya, not yet na. I didn't know yet if you have to use this or not. Come on. Come on, Anna. 안 돼요. 안 돼. Lulu. This is for breastfeeding area. No, I'm not gonna feed you here. This is breastfeeding area. He dragged me.
나 너무 놀라게 해서 미안했어.
What do you want? This one?
그리고 피트가 자신의 비밀을 난쟁이 요정들에게 이야기했어요. 우와, 정말 좋은 소리다. 난쟁이 요정들이 손뼉을 쳤어요. 다음날 아침
What do you want?
또 모두들
This one?
이제 달걀을
알았어.
하나 더 넣을 거야. 그리고 전부 잘 섞이게 저어야 해. 모가 난쟁이 요정들에게 빵과 머핀, 케이크가
You just leave him in here. You're so mean. Ah. You want me to read it in there? You want me to read in him? Ayan. Don't close. Why are you closing doors? 안녕. 김소로왕. I'm gonna read this question you. skills is not so good. Ito kasi. Yutnal Orinara. Namchuk. Chibae. Karakoy. He's gone away. Yeah. So hot in here, that's why. Come on. I'm gonna practice more. Rasto? Canberra, let's check your height and weight. Okay, stand up there. Chariot! Chariot! Cannot reach. Just here, right? Cannot reach anymore. Here. Because you're still so small. That's so warm. And then, how many kilo is Nami? How many kilo Nami now? 12? 12.24. Come on. Where are we going now? Papa? Just watch your phone. Sana yung may nanang. Check your nanang. Very good. The oxygen again. How is his condition? Still half? Not so bad. Injection also? Now getting better, Chad. Bronchitis. My baby not eating well. Ito ko, you also request. Now look at me. I have vitamins. Just not. Now look at me. I have so many vitamins given by the doctor. Oh, we went to the beach. And so. This is for 3 minutes. 1 minute to go. So busy eating vitamins. I love you.
Let's watch the beach again tomorrow. My off day. I don't know what can I do.
The doctor said don't go to the beach. Huh? My baby so behave. 4, 3, 2, 1, done. So he gonna receive injection also on his butt. There. Injection area is there. I think I cannot go inside, just him and his apa. Anyang my baby. Ay, wala man sa handsome and pretty. Ay, ito kasi. So sweet. You're done injection.
사탕 달라. 할머니 사탕.
아, 고맙습니다.
사탕 주니까 뚝 봤네.
아파요? 진짜 아파요? But we have lollipop no more, 아파? Come on, let's go na, come on. Oh, we're gonna go to the grocery today. Hey, Mama, iliwan. We gonna... Just before you cry. Then now, no more crying because of lollipop. Come on, baby. It's sweet purple. So this is how Korean pharmacy looks like. Full of Pororo toys. Full of toys. If Namo is here, he's shopping again. Our baby here, he's busy eating his lollipop. Ay. Why shaking the lollipop? So happy? Hmm? You're so happy? Why dancing? Shake the lollipop, shake the lollipop. Tanami, shake the lollipop. So, summer medicine is not yet finished. Why so happy with that lollipop? So yummy. What flavor of that lollipop? Chocolate? Vera, what are you doing? You start to shop now? Hmm? Shopping starts now? How many items did you shop already?
지금 먹지 말라고.
좀